Hello everyone, welcome back to this session on artificial intelligence and machine learning. In this video we are going to make a self-driving car with the help of Python programming. A self-driving car is a form of an embedded system which uses the sensor technology, microcontrollers, actuators and a software. They are working all together to detect the things around them and take the actions accordingly, to avoid the obstacles, to detect the different objects and to make the actions according to the type of object they have detected. Self-driving cars are used for collecting robots, delivery boats, farming vehicles like tractors, etc. They use the sensors to note the vehicle location, altitude, rotation, etc., which helps the driver on uneven roads. Self-driving cars are used to help while driving the car in reverse direction, and they are also used to explore the areas like Mars and other planets. So these are some of the applications of self-driving car. So how we are going to make the self-driving car? We will be using the Python programming interface of PictoBlocks. We will be using an extension which will be recognizing the different traffic signals that we will be showing in the camera, like go forward, go backward, left, right and stop. So according to these signals, our robot is called Quarky will take the actions accordingly. But before we move ahead, let's just talk about this Quarky. Quarky is a microcontroller which is based on ESP32. Because of that, it has inbuilt Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. You can control it wirelessly via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. You can also control this Quarky with the wire using a C-type port. Okay. And this also comes with a 7x5 RGB display, 2 onboard IR sensors, 5 metal touch sensors and a motor driver on it. And this also comes with a short circuit protection, so it's easy to use. These are some of the specifications of our Quarky, and let's get started with writing the code. There is an extension in our PictoBlocks. This is called card recognition. So we are having the card with us with the traffic signs on them. So we will be calling this extension over here. So recognition card, change this name to whatever the name you want. I'm going to change this to card. So card equal to recognize card. So this extension will help us to do all the operations, to open the camera, to recognize the objects or the cards and to read the signals from there. So for reading the signals, we have to open the camera. So cards dot video, for turning on, just write on, video on. Okay, not the cards, only card. Okay, card dot video on, and for enabling the bounding boxes, card dot enable boxes, and card dot set threshold to 0.5. Create a loop here while true to analyze the image from the camera. So for this, card dot analyze camera. After analyzing the camera, let's create a variable here. For example, say signal equal to card dot class name. So whatever the name we are getting here, whatever the signal that we have shown in the camera, that particular signal is stored inside this signal variable. Okay, now we will be checking the conditional part. If go in signal, then what we have to do, we have to write okay, we also have to add Quarky here, add the board Quarky equal to Quarky, and here Quarky dot run timer robot in forward direction with 60% of speed for 0.5 seconds. Okay, now in the else part, if turn left in signal. So what we have to do, Quarky dot run timer robot for moving left, L speed 40% and time 0.5 seconds. similarly for the other cases. So in this way we have completed the code for if we are getting the go signal, then our robot will be moving in the forward direction, and if we are getting this turn left signal, then left side, and with 40% of speed in all the cases except this backward direction. If you are getting the U-turn, then our robot must move in the backward direction. So for checking this code, you have to connect your Quarky with this PictoBlocks wirelessly using the Bluetooth. So turn on your Quarky, go to your apps and install run PictoBlocks link in the background. So this app is always required to fetch the Bluetooth address of your Quarky. Now go to connection and switch to Bluetooth port. Wait for the device name, connect. Quarky will play a sound for you, that means it's connected now, and a green LED will be glowing on the screen. So let's run the code and check the working. Here the model is loaded. So my Quarky is now connected, and let's show different cards in the frame and check for the working. So firstly I'm showing the go sign. Here it's moving perfectly. Now another sign. Okay, now a different sign. So this is how you can program your robot. You can do the robotics as well using the Python. So thank you so much for watching.